In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch Chatgpt using plugins and widgets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get Chatgpt up and running smoothly in just a few moments. We'll begin right inside your workspace. Look for the action icon in your interface. Depending on your setup, this icon might appear as a lightning bolt, a gear, 3 dots, or a small play symbol. It's usually located in the top toolbar or along the right side of your screen. Go ahead and click that action icon to reveal the controls and shortcuts related to tools and automations. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or hovering over the toolbar to make hidden icons visible. With the action menu open, it's time to search for Chatgpt. You should see a search field or a quick find bar at the top of the panel that just opened. Click into that field and start typing Chatgpt. As you type, matching results should appear. Keep your typing simple. Capitalization doesn't matter here, but spelling does. If nothing shows up, clear the query and try again slowly to make sure there aren't any stray spaces. Next, navigate to the Plugins and Widgets area. Many systems group third-party tools, add-ons, and mini-apps under a combined section labeled Plugins and Widgets. Open that section to view the available integrations. If your interface separates them into two tabs, either path typically leads to the same list of available tools. You're looking for the entry labeled Chatgpt. It may display a short description or an icon indicating it's an AI assistant. When you see the Chatgpt option in the list, select it. This highlights the tool and brings up its details panel so you can confirm you've got the right one. If multiple similarly named entries appear, choose the one that clearly references Chatgpt as the conversational AI. Take a moment to glance at the description so you know you're about to run the correct tool. Finally, click on Run. The Run button might appear as a standard button or as a small triangle play icon. Pressing it will initialize Chatgpt and open its interface or output panel. Give it a second to load. You may see a brief spinner or status message. If the button is grayed out, make sure Chatgpt is selected in the list and that the panel has focus. And that's it. Click the action icon, search Chatgpt, head into Plugins and Widgets, choose Chatgpt, and click Run. You're all set to begin.